Oh, guess what I'm doing here. Nice lights. I'm setting up a new PC, and here's my new one. Look at that. And this is my old one, which will be what? Paul! He's setting up my new PC. Supposed to be better. Generation 10.
10th generation
i3 Generation 10. MSI key. MSI motherboard. And OS Pro.
Windows 10 Pro.
Ano difference ng OS Pro from Windows Home?
Bali yung gumagamit niyan sir, yung mga ano.
Yeah, pero wala pa siyang office.
Yes sir.
Yeah, separate office. But he gave me something. One of those freebies. Some of the stuff they're having. So, just that, PC is so important for me. How many more minutes to go? How many more hours to go?
Ano sir, 30 minutes.
Really? 30 minutes? Okay. So let's take some photos outside. Make use of our time. Things are a lot better at night. So many lights. Everything looks so beautiful with all the lights. Some of the things for sale. Yeah, SM is the king of mall. Check out the lights. Beautiful light combinations. Yeah, nice. Nice face masks. Never had any clue that I'll be ending up here today. By the way, today's Saturday. Remember this place? Great image. For your passport photos. And I was supposed to have my hopia when I get home. Let's see how it goes. Oh, nice. Just for a short vlog. I normally don't go out at night. So this will be a bit of a surprise vlog. Night vlog. Night people. And security here aren't as strict as SM Fairview. Our favorite place for Halo Halo before. I haven't had Halo Halo for quite a while. Maybe I'll have Halo Halo one of these days. For your key needs. Spare keys, I mean. Not going too far in case the setup has finished. Want to go home? Just adore those lights. Check that out, huh? What a light. Huh. Beautiful lights. So there used to be CDR King, so it's now Gadget King. The logo looks the same.
Sir,
Ay, ano pong ginagawa?
pagdating sa warranty po, may 1 year warranty tayo, then 7 days sa replacement. Ano yun sir, any factory defect. So wala siyang physical damage, liquid damage. Okay sir.
Tapos yung specs, pakita mo lang ulit.
Sa specs sir, yan, siya sir, Core i3 na 10th generation, 8GB RAM, 64-bit, Windows 10 Pro. Yan. License siya sir na yan po. Windows 10 Pro activated with a digital license.
Didikit mo na yung license.
Lalagyan natin sir.
There you go, that's my license.